G'day folks, due to extremely wet weather I can't get to the long ranges, but I've got something different today. Although the gun on the outside looks exactly the same, on the inside I've got something special. Yesterday I installed the Superior Slug Liner, so today I'm going to do a 30-meter test with 5 different pellets or slugs to see if there's a remarkable improvement, the slug liner versus my old STX slug liner, and then I'm going to compare that to the previous couple of videos and I'll post all the results a little bit later. So the pellets up for today, 18 grain heavies. These guys are going to run at 1,000 feet a second. I've got the redesigns. The redesigns will run anywhere between 880 to 940 feet a second depending on which power setting I am, and I'm going to shoot from power setting 1 all the way up to max to show you guys the different groupings on different speed levels and look for the best. Then I've got the G2 23 grainers, I've got the JSB knockouts that I'm going to shoot, and then a brand spanking new slug, locally produced. Not allowed to say who it is at this stage, it's still in the production phase, so I'm going to test these guys and let's see what they do. I know these slugs run very nice at 930 feet per second, so we'll see what it does on power setting 5 and or max, but I expect great things from this. I'm also expecting some better groupings with the slug liner because I paid a hell of a lot of money for that, so I do expect better results, and this is the Superior Slug Liner. I chronoed it yesterday. There's no speed difference between the previous slug liner, the STX, and this Superior Slug Liner, so my setting on my gun doesn't need to change. I zeroed the gun and the scope again. Everything is running hunky-dory. Let's have some fun.
With the new Superior Slug Liner, I also changed the reg pressure as well as the valve adjustment, just to make it a bit more air efficient.
Alright, new Superior Slug Liner. First up, JSB Redesigns, 25.39 grain. I'm going from power setting 1 all the way up to max. Here we go. I think it's very safe to say that you are more than welcome to shoot pellets from the new Superior Slug Liner. Watch these groupings right through power 1 all the way to max. Awesome groupings.
On the left hand side we have the normal STX slug liner that I did a couple of weeks ago. The right hand side is the new Superior Slug Liner. There is a marginal improvement in the groupings.
JSB Diablos, 18.13 grain. These guys are a little bit fast, but let's see what they do with the Superior Slug Liner. That's why it's superior. Power setting 1 to 6.
You be the judge of this one. I can't discern if there's any improvement or not. I can however see that there's less flyers except on target 4 and 5.
Now we get to the fun stuff. G2, 23 grainers, 217s, 23 grain. These babies are going to be fast. Already let the regulator settle down. Going from power setting 1 to power setting max again. Hold on to your nuts.
it wasn't for the last one on maximum power, I would have given this 100% improvement on this new Superior Slug Liner versus the old STX. It looks very promising indeed.
Next up, JSB Knockouts 25.39 grain. These are the cup base 216s. Papa net gou skiet hoor. Okay. Power setting 1 to 6.
Out of all the pellets and slugs I shot today, the JSB Knockouts is the only ones that don't like the Superior Liner more than the old STX liner.
Shh, this is very hush hush. New brand on the market? Not yet. Brand name? Not yet. 26 grainers? Yet. Let's go. Power setting 1 to 6. I did recycle the gun to make sure that the regulator settled down. Let's go. I like it a lot.
When these slugs were put in my grubby little paws, I was told 930 feet per second or above. Don't try anything else, and they delivered. These slugs shows a lot of potential. If they group like that on 30 meters, I can't wait to take them out to 50 and to 100 meters. Watch the next video, guys. This is going to be an epic one. It is still too early to say. I need to shoot these babies at 50, 75 and 100 meters to decide which of the two liners are the actual best one for my gun. But at this stage, the Superior Slug Liner looks extremely promising. Thank you guys. Enjoy.